everybody's gonna pay. 'Cause the $1 Million Man always gets his way.
Money, 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 money.
Some might cost a little, some might cost a lot, but I'm the $1 Million Man, and you will be bought.
Richard Wynn.
I came to play to pray. There's a price to pay. Time for you to get down on your knees and pray. I came to say goodbye to the good old days. They're never coming back. Watch your future. I came away to get my dues paid. I guess you had a dream, but it can't be saved. I came to play to play. There's a price to pay. Time for you to get down on your knees and pray. I came to say goodbye to the good old days. They're never coming back. Watch your future. I came away to get my dues paid. I guess you had a dream, but it can't be saved. Run away if you see me. Don't even say my name. Don't think that you can know me. Don't try and play that game. Every day that I get better, I watch as you get worse. My script is to the letter, and I'll write your final verse. I am here to stay, and I have come to play. I came to play. There's a price to pay. Time for you to get down on your knees. I came to say goodbye to the good old days. They're never coming back. Watch your future. I came to play.
It's unforgiving in there. These steel cage matches are notorious career enders.
Going all the way up. It's a long climb up the cage, but a quick and painful fall if you're not fast enough.
He's not letting his opponent get away that easily. Now can the superstar capitalize? Oh, wow.
He's going to the top rope.
The superstar is looking great here at the top of the first.
He wants out of this unforgiving steel cage, and who can blame him? His opponent got a little cocky there, and he paid the price.
He's caught, and the cage door closes shut. That one didn't land flush, but it did connect. Right in the kisser. And that one shook him. Leg drop.
That'll do some damage. And he does it one more time.
Oh my gosh! Right into the steel cage! Oh! He's through playing around! You've got to move quickly if you want to get out of the cage. switch places. Oh, he's just taking it to it.
Escape is only 10 feet away, but it's got to be the longest 10 feet of this superstar's life.
Oh, man. That's why you don't try to escape until your opponent's down and out. And this has just been a hellacious battle inside this demonic structure. I don't think money can buy the $1 Million Man out of this one.
His opponent was looking for a quick escape, but he had other ideas.
He's scrambling, and this might be premature. Oh! Quick position change. Oh, and the knee connects. Oh, man. How do you beat an opponent that can do that to you? And he's trying for the early escape.
Looks like his escape plan was a bit premature.
Ouch! That's exactly what you don't want to happen in a cage match. Oh! Superstar nails it!
He's looking to put his opponent away right here.
To the cage! And I think he's trying to get out of this one.
He reached the top, but can he reach the floor?
Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one. Superstar win! I don't know if I've ever seen a cage match with as much raw emotion as the one we just witnessed.